Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, I want to focus on how to make money with email marketing, but more importantly, I want to focus on one of the glaring problems that you most likely have when it comes to trying to make money online with email marketing. And simply and straight to the point, that number one glaring problem for most folks, to include most likely you and me, is coming up with content ideas, is thinking of something to say every day or every other day, or every how often it is you send an email to your email list once you start building it. So what I have today for you is a good solution to solve this number one glaring problem. So let's jump on the computer here and take a look at that solution. As you can see here on the screen, this is done for you monthly marketing emails. Inside this video here, and there's a link in the description, you can watch this video. Philip Lopez, the creator and the author of these done for you monthly marketing emails, is going to answer the question about the 3 glaring problems with your email marketing. So as soon as you land on this page, watch this video. But the solution here is simple. These are done for you monthly personal, funny, conversational marketing emails that you're going to get every month, as well as a private Facebook group that I'm going to show you in here in a second so you can see what's going on in there. And inside of that Facebook group, as it says right here on the sales page, you're going to get email marketing tips and tricks, how to come up with headlines, call to actions, how to stand out from a competitor. And here's the deal, you can cancel this at any time, no need to jump through hoops. If this isn't for you, simply just part and walk away, all good. Button right there to pick this up for $10. But before you click that button, let me show you what I'm going to do for you to make sure that you have all the content that you need, to include the squeeze pages if you've been looking for ideas for squeeze pages as well, because one of the first steps in getting people on an email list is getting them to actually join your email list, right? So I've got that problem solved for you as well. Let me show you that real quick. And the solution to that problem that I'm going to give you every month to go along with your done for you marketing emails inside of the done for you monthly marketing emails from Philip Lopez is I'm going to give you automated list profits, which are monthly list packs. As you can see here, these are high quality PLR that you can utilize to create squeeze pages, as well as content such as emails. And let me show you inside one real quick so you understand the power and exactly the content that you're going to be getting. And then we're going to go back and take a look inside the Done For You Monthly Marketing Facebook group, as well as I'm going to show you one of the emails that I actually used today to send out to my list. So we're going to download this recurring income strategies pack right here. You just simply click download. Then when that downloads right here, you'll have the PLR license, you'll have the emails, as well as the report right here. I'll go ahead and open up the report and you'll see the PDF right here. So this is the PDF version of the report. Of course, it comes in Word, so you can fully edit this. And you can see here the table of contents, the introduction. It's very well written. You can see how it goes into the special report. It says, "Are you ready to begin? Let's get started." So this is written in a very direct response, matter-of-fact fashion to get people to go to the next step. So are you ready to begin? Let's get started. And it's going to go into recurring revenue streams, and it's going to walk through that information that is relevant to this topic. So you're going to get that report as well as the squeeze page that you can see right here. And here's that squeeze page you can open up right here. You have access to the HTML to edit it, all the images. You can change the headlines as you want, as you need. All you do is simply insert your autoresponder code right here to start collecting emails. And you can see that that squeeze page is done for you, as well as 7 emails and an example of one of the emails that you can see right here that talks about everything that you need to know inside of this topic. So that's just more content added on top of the content that you're going to get inside of the Done For You monthly marketing emails. And here is a fun conversational email that I'm going to show you today, and actually one that I just sent to my email list, and I'll show you that in a second. So here it is, subject, fun fact, first name. So if you collect the first names, you can use that, or you can change it up. I'll show you how I change it up because I don't use first names. And it simply goes into the story. Banging your head against the wall for an hour can burn up to 150 calories. However, I advise you to take a long walk instead. It keeps going. It also has a place down here to put your call to action, your CTA, which is going to be your link to your offer, an affiliate offer, your own product, a YouTube video is what I actually did today. So let me show you how I utilize this myself today. So inside of my Aweber account here, you can see the email that I actually sent today. And my title was Fun Fact Friday because today is Friday when I'm shooting this video, when I sent this email. And I started off with the way I normally always start off my emails, because that's important whenever you get a done-for-you service. Emails, content, blogs, PLR, you always have to adjust it a bit, put it in your voice to make sure that it comes from you, so when people get it, they understand that it is from you, and it's not just a copy-paste job. Gorgeous day it was yesterday, and going to be again today here in the foothills. And yesterday I got a bit of exercise as well, and I wanted to tell you about it and give you a fun fact this Friday, so here you go. Banging your head against the wall for an hour burns up to 150 calories. Sound familiar? Yes, it does, because right here can burn up to 150 calories. I use this email to generate a story based off of what I want to give to my audience today in my email list, which is a link to a rant video that I did yesterday on my YouTube channel. And I use this because literally I felt like I was banging my head against the wall, but I did it anyway. So I burned up to at least 150 calories. So this email was perfect for me today, as I know this email can be perfect for you, because everyone can take these fun conversational types of emails, add it together with some great content, like the stuff you're going to get over at Automated List Profits. When you join, again, I'm going to make sure you have access to Automated List Profits every month so you can download those brand new packs. And don't forget, Done For You monthly marketing emails comes with a private Facebook group, as you can see right here. I'm inside this group, so you can ask any questions and I'll be here to help you, as well as Philip Lopez. You can see his face right there, and you can see the kind of stuff he's doing right here. He's providing those emails, as well as he's welcoming people to the group. Also, he's doing some polls in here to get those creative juices flowing. He also has some training in here that I want to show you. Right here, for example, he's asking a very interesting question. Does safe list marketing still work? This is an email marketing tactic, a technique, a strategy. It's a way to be able to send emails to a list of people that have joined a safe list and signed up and said, yes, I will accept emails from your list. It is something they've agreed to. It is a place you can send emails, and the guarantee is that they will be opened. Of course, watch this. It's part of the Done For You monthly marketing emails Facebook group. It's part of the training. It's part of the entire package that you're going to get inside of Done For You monthly marketing emails membership. And you're going to be able to solve the 3 glaring problems, as well as what I think the number 1 problem is, just simply having high quality content to send to your audience every day. So click on that link in the description, pop over, watch this video from Philip, click that button, join Done For You monthly marketing emails. I'll see you in the Facebook group, and if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.